Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping in a dip powder from Nelly Bells and I'm so excited. And then we're also going to be adding some really pretty butterfly decals to really enhance this mani. So we're starting off with the gel method today and that beautiful dip powder that you just saw there, Baby's Breath. Now Baby's Breath, it's almost like a periwinkle blue. It is gorgeous and it has super fine shimmer in it of like pinks and blues. It's really pretty. It's super elegant and soft and very buildable. You can see here with one dip, it is full coverage and it looks really pretty with one dip, but it's even better with two. And you're going to see a side by side in a little bit here of one dip versus two, but it's very beautiful. And this dip powder is super full coverage. It's not streaky or patchy or anything like that. And I just love it so much. And you can see here, I'm just gently tapping down those fine glitters just to make sure everything is laying really flat. I like doing this with honestly any color. If it's shimmer, if it's a solid, or if it's a chunky glitter, I really like to just make sure everything's laying really flat, because in the end, I just have a really good smooth surface, which then I don't have to do that much filing and buffing. But then after we are done using Baby's Breath, we are going to be using with Bells, and it is a stunning irregular shaped glitter. It's like a flaky glitter, and it is stunning, and it has purples, aquas, and just like all these different beautiful tones of flakes in there. And there's something about the purples and the pinks and the aqua just really just come together, and it gives this mani almost like a stained glass or like a butterfly wing. When I saw it with the butterfly, I was like, oh my gosh, this mani is giving me butterfly wings feelings with that beautiful like irregular flake. So you're going to see that all here in action. So we're going to dive right into this mani, and then I will pop back in just a little bit.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up.
All right, so we're gonna go right into filing and buffing. Filing and buffing was so easy and simple with Nellie Bell's dip powders in general. They are very finely milled and they apply really well. So I normally do not have any issues when it comes to filing and buffing, and I have very minimal filing and buffing. So all I'm doing is exactly what you're seeing here. I'm just cleaning up the sidewalls and the free edge. And then with the flakes, I had a little bit of like just a few sticking up. So I'm gently, and I am going to say that again, gently rubbing that file across that, and I didn't break into any of those beautiful flakes, and everything is just laying super flat. So I did the rest of the filing and buffing off camera. Now if you had any like major filing and buffing that you needed to do, then you could go ahead and do a layer of gel base, cure that, and then a layer of top coat, cure that, and then go in heavy-handedly with your buffing. So that's another option. But the way I did it, I didn't have any issues and everything came out beautifully. So now we are applying some butterfly decals. I went ahead and used a layer of Modelones gel base, cure that for 30 seconds. I like using the Modelones gel base for placing decals because you're going to see here that I can easily move this super delicate decal around and get it really where I want it. The Models one, there's just something magical about it that lets you slide a decal around and it's not just like stuck there. Now, if you're doing like a full nail wrap, I like to use the nail transfer glue, and that just gets everything laying really flat for like a full coverage decal. But when you're doing these like elegant dainty ones, you just really want to be able to move them around and get them exactly where you want them with the nail. So that's why I really like using the Modelones, because I can just slide it around there. Now to clean up this decal, since we have a little bit of lines there, I'm going to use that acetone on this flat brush, and I'm just gently pressing down on that decal very lightly, like with like a feather touch, if that makes sense. And I am just removing, because some of that butterfly is hanging over the edge there, I'm just cleaning up that decal, and that decal is laying super flat. And then to seal on this decal, I am going in with a layer of gel base, and then we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. And then I did the rest of the butterflies off camera. Now, how fun are these butterflies? It just really enhanced this mani and tied it all together. To finish up this mani, we're going to go ahead and seal it all in with a layer of gel top coat. We're using the Sundara's gel top coat. It is HEMA 21 free, and it's a very gentle gel top coat formula. So if you have any allergies or anything like that, definitely recommend trying this top coat. But here's the finished mani. I love it so much. I think it's super beautiful. There's just something about these colors together. Baby's Breath is stunning. And then we have that beautiful flake glitter with bells, and I just think the butterflies just tied it all together. Decals are a really good way to enhance the dip powders that you're using, and these beautiful dip powders just go perfectly with these butterflies. And doesn't that glitter nail look like butterfly wings? Oh, it's just so pretty, like butterflies flying into the sun. I don't know, I love it so much, and I could not be more obsessed with this mani. These dip powders were super easy to use. They're beautiful colors. No matter if you're doing the gel method or using dip liquids, you're really going to love these dip powders. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I will see you all in the next upload.